Demonstrating a massive show of strength despite extreme weather conditions, Runiel Debbarma, the sitting executive member and Tipra Motha candidate for the 14th Borjungnagar-Wakhinnagar constituency, conducted a high-energy election rally on Tuesday.
The rally, held at Chakma BC polling centers 20 and 21, was marked by heavy rainfall and frequent lightning. Despite the thunderstorm, thousands of supporters remained at the venue, waving party flags and chanting slogans. The visual of a large crowd standing firm in the rain has been widely interpreted as a display of the party's deep-rooted organizational grip on the constituency. Runiel Debbarma was accompanied by several key leaders of the Tipra Motha frontal organizations, including Tipra Debbarma, President Mohanpur Tipra Motha Block Committee, Prasanta Debbarma, President Youth Tipra Federation, Sagarika Debbarma, representing the Tipra Women's Federation. Speaking to reporters while soaked in rain, a defiant Runiel Debbarma expressed absolute confidence in his re-election.
Ini 19 number by 20 Kuri by 21 Wakhinnagar BC was a Khobzak. Ini sing lam pungu to kun laika. Oruna sing Khansari Panbu sing kunuka. Sing je 12 tarik je chongmari na thang tongwa edisi chongmari. Mon bage jotok to yarung laisa or sijaka. Ebong watino watu hiliakari watino mesen ruoi. Sing je himbo to him laga wati pana suna kasunar maya. Ono median BC bi sanam so. Kuno pan taklai yo chongmari obo 12 tariko je chongmari go thang do oromo kuno pan Tipra Motha party no kasunar maya. Ebong 14 Borjungnagar kasunar maya. Omni logi sara Tirponi je 28 city modhe 25 seat 25 seat Tipra Motha party ko applying na thang do ebong sing omno kubike lorai financial company bagi sing Tipra Motha bagi sing Tipra Motha party no kubike choba thai do kubike lorai khai do alka bodol BJP bodol okhandi CPM Congress jotolo khemun politics no Tipra sono thogo ore pore khayo 80 bochor omno sing Tipra Motha party ni samay omno tongnai je sob samay sing Tipra company ko gana busai tonani tai Tipra sani man tai shokten bagi chi.
As the April 12 TTADC polls draw closer, Borjungnagar-Wakhinnagar has become a high-stakes seat. Local observers noted that the successful execution of such a large rally during a natural disruption sends a strong signal to the opposition parties regarding the Tipra Motha's mobilization capabilities. Reporter Beboyer from Lepunga, Chini Khorang.